Pizza today is one of the most loved Italian dishes and is eaten all over the world. While most people, especially in America, associate pizza with Italian food, it's actually not that simple. It is said that once you have tasted a pizza made in the authentic Italian style, there's no going back. Even when eating in Italian restaurants abroad, it's hard to capture the unique taste of real pizza. Pizza, in one form or another, has been present in Italian cuisine for centuries. Its roots are in the Mediterranean, where it existed as a kind of seasoned flatbread, used more as a side dish than as a main course. And yet these early pizzas quickly contributed to the fame of Italian food, spreading to Greece, Rome, Egypt, and even Babylon, receiving enthusiastic praise from many historians of the time. It was in the Middle Ages that pizza began to take on a form more recognizable to lovers of Italian cuisine today. It began as a simple dough topped with herbs and olive oil, typical ingredients of the Italian culinary tradition. With the arrival of mozzarella, made with buffalo milk, pizza found a new key ingredient. Today, in any self-respecting Italian restaurant, fresh buffalo mozzarella is a must. The dry, grated mozzarella, often associated with pizza abroad, would never find its place on a real Italian pizza. It was only in the 18th century, with the spread of tomato in Italian cuisine, that we see the appearance of modern pizza. In this period, pizza began to take on an increasingly central role in the Italian diet. This food, once considered poor man's food, spread rapidly throughout society, conquering even the palates of the upper classes. In 1830, the very first pizzeria opened in Naples. Since then, pizzerias have spread all over the world, making pizza known and loved by everyone. Real Italian pizza is cooked in a wood-fired oven. This is one of the reasons why American pizza is often not considered authentic. Pizzas in real Italian restaurants use the freshest ingredients. The beauty of pizza, and what has made it so popular, is its versatility. Each region of Italy has its own version, using local ingredients and unique culinary traditions. Italian cuisine is incredibly varied, and you could spend a whole year traveling around Italy just to taste all the types of pizza that have helped make Italian cuisine famous all over the world. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications.